Hi, welcome to Sid's Tips. Hope you're having a great day. And over the past few days, I've been getting used to my Google Pixel 7 Pro phone, and I am loving it. Getting used to the weight a little bit, going from the Pixel 5, it definitely is a bit of a difference. Photos are amazing, and today I want to talk about video and audio. So obviously you can see I'm indoors, and with the Pixel 7 Pro phone, I am using the DJI wireless microphone. So if you wanted to hear what it sounded like unedited, then this is what it sounds like. I will do some other videos demonstrating it outdoors as well. And I love the fact that you can take the receiver, just plug that right into the Type-C connection. The only thing that you need to do is make sure to change the microphone mode from the phone to the adapter that's in the Type-C. So that will give you an idea. I'm also shooting this in cinematic mode, which is so cool. I didn't tap on the screen. I just put my phone on the tripod and now I'm shooting it. I also am using this little remote for starting the video and ending it. These are so inexpensive, so I'll put a link to this as well. And if you are thinking about getting the DJI mic, I'll be sure to put a link in the description as well as in the comment section below, so you can check it out. You could see so many reviews. People love it. It's awesome. You can even use this as just a separate recorder, just pressing the button rather than using the receiver. It comes with a really nice case, and you've got a second transmitter as well. It comes with two wind muffs. You've got your cable for connecting to a computers for the Type-C, and then also for charging the case. You got the charging port right here, so you can use it there. And then you've got your microphone cable, so if you want to use it for those that don't have a Type-C connection, like if you have a GoPro and you want to use the audio port, you can do that as well. So, and then the last thing it does come is with this pouch, so everything fits right in there. So I haven't used it as much as I would like, but now that I am figuring out to get the audio down pat and I got the Pixel 7 Pro, I definitely will start using it more. Also really cool, I did a review on the DJI wireless mic using it with a Zoom call as well, so you could check that out. And if you have any questions, let me know. This is definitely an awesome way to go if you are looking for a wireless microphone. The DJI wireless mic is awesome and I highly recommend it. So let me know if you have any questions. I appreciate your time. We'll see you on the next video. Take care.